Hey guys, it's my third video just playing with slime and seeing which ones needs to get fixed, but this one already got fixed. It was watery. This one's watery too, but I fixed it.
That's your store? Where do you sell it?
Now we're gonna make a little bubble. Actually, we're not. We're gonna make a crunchy sound. This is like my second favorite slime. This was my first, but it's watery, so I'll fix that or throw it away. The whole container, just like throw it in the garbage. But I don't know. This one is, I'll name all of them. Well, I already named all of them. This one's blueberry. This one is purple grape. This one is green apple. This one is strawberry. This one doesn't have a name because this one was mixed with all of them. Little pieces, like little piece of this, little piece of this, little piece of this, and little piece of this, and it's in here. So yeah, I really don't know which slime is the best, but I think this slime is like the best crunchy sound. Like, look. See, like it's kind of the best crunchy slime ever. And glossy. No, this one's the glossiest one, green apple. I'm gonna put this one away and play with the green apple because it's kind of my favorite. But I don't have no favorite slimes for now. This one's my favorite, but no, it's not. Wait. I guess it's like nasty. It's not watery anymore because I put some activator. We're just gonna keep mixing it until it's. And I think this one needs the glue, so we'll play with that one later or something. So yeah, we're gonna play with green apple. This one's the glossiest probably. The other one's this one has a lot of beads in it. That's why there's some beads in this one. Because I mixed some of this slime with this. I just grabbed like a little piece like this and I put it here. And then I grabbed little pieces. Yeah. So that's what happened to this slime. That's why it's like a light purple kind of. We're going to take this slime out. I really know how to fix slimes, kind of. I'm kind of like this slime fixer. If you guys want to see me make slime, I might make slime in this video or the next video, but I'm pretty sure not. I might make a video in here, in this video probably. Now I'll give more updates on my slimes, but for now they're okay. Some of them are okay. He just needs milk. He's 1 year old already, so he knows how to walk, crawl, but he doesn't know how to talk. So that's kind of difficult to understand what he's saying. Like right now he could be saying, "Hi, can you please get me some milk?" But I don't know what he's saying, so really don't know. Let me turn the camera over. Hold on. I guess I can't turn over. What you know about love, I got what you need. I wish it was on something else so I can do a TikTok. I wonder if I can do a TikTok while you guys are on it. I'm pretty sure I could. I've been on already for 7 minutes. So let's do a TikTok real quick. You guys will open my one of my users names are Angelique Flores. I don't know, but Hope Angelique 19, and I think the other one's Angelique Flores 19 too, I think. They're all Angelique Flores up there. So go search up my users' names on TikTok if you guys have TikTok. Or if you guys don't have TikTok, just download TikTok. Because it's a really, before they exited out and you cannot get on it, but if you have it, you can stay on it. So you better go to TikTok and download it right now, or else it'll be banned and no one can get on it except the people that have it downloaded. That's what happens. I don't know why, but they said they were gonna ban TikTok. I hope they unbanned it. There's like ponytails in here. Really don't know. And I'll just ask my sister. No, she's sleeping. I'm just gonna, the last one to play with is Strawberry. And make sure you guys subscribe, turn on those notifications, and give a big, you guys forgot something. Give a big fat thumb up. And if the subscribe button is red, turn it gray, and that's the way. That's my new song. Let's see if this slime comes out. That'd be so cool if it went. And it just popped out. That'd be so cool. Wait, I think it is gonna pop out. Yeah, I think it is. That was so cool. I'm gonna this slime's like stiff, but like stretchy. But it's not actually stiff because it's like it's like a dry slime. It's not a wet slime, it's a dry slime. If you guys don't know what a dry slime is, just search it up. So,
hey, I have one more first. Give me it now.
okay, that's the way. I think I might make a slime right now and throw this slime right here away. Let's put these slimes away in the container. I'm setting it on the glue now. Let me show you guys the glue. So let's put it in this container. This is my slime container. You guys do not know. I forgot which way it goes. Let me just figure it out. It goes like this. One slime goes right here. And then the slimes go this way, and then the glue goes right here. And then we just put that at the top. Where's my slime knife? Put it right here. There we go.